Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I recently watched your video that was telecasted from Moscow to Manchester for non-surgical fat reduction.
Oh, yes, indeed.
Yeah, it was a brilliant video.
Oh,
Is there
thank
any
you.
more coming up? Something like that?
Actually, I have to give that talk in the Ukraine on the 22nd of February this year. There is a wonderful congress on there that's looking at the difference between male and female fat, both instructor and deposition, and how we could use different devices then to treat this, both ultrashape, with ultrasonic, and with vanquish, with radio frequency, and some of the other high intensity frequency devices as well. So I'm really looking forward to that, and that's in the Ukraine on the 22nd of February. It's the second International Academic Congress in the
I
Ukraine.
wish I could fly to Ukraine to watch you. Probably next time.
We'd probably keep it on video or something anyway.
Thank you. Have a
Very
lovely
well.
day.
Thank you.